Have you ever pondered the future of tech? Consider quantum computers, fascinatingly complex devices with game-changing potential. They're not merely hypothetical, but actuality within reach. These machines aren't just complex, they are the epitome of technological evolution. Quantum computing is not a distant dream, it's a reality we're progressing towards. Yet, what exactly are they? These computer systems run on principles of quantum mechanics, harnessing the peculiar actions of quantum bits or qubits to perform computations. Their potential is immense, but in what ways could they transform our future? Imagine a magical library that holds an almost infinite number of books. Each book contains its own unique story. Now, a traditional computer is like a person who can only read one book at a time. But a quantum computer, well, it's like a superhuman who can read all the books at once. This is thanks to something called qubits. You see, a qubit is a bit like a coin. A regular computer bit is like a coin that can only be heads or tails. But a qubit, it's like a spinning coin. It can be heads, tails, or anything in between. This allows quantum computers to process a massive amount of information at once. But what's the magic behind these quantum computers? Enter time crystals. Sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, doesn't it? But they're very much real. Just think of a regular crystal, like a diamond. It's an object that repeats a pattern in space, right? Now imagine a crystal that repeats a pattern not just in space but in time. That's a time crystal. And these time crystals, they're the heart of a quantum computer. So, what could we use these quantum computers for? Well, they could help us solve problems that are currently too difficult for our regular computers. They could revolutionize fields like medicine by helping us understand complex molecules and create new drugs. They could help us make better weather predictions or even solve complex mathematical problems. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Quantum computers could also pose new challenges. They could, for example, break the encryption that protects our online communications. So, it's crucial that we also develop new ways to protect our information. In conclusion, quantum computers, with their qubits and time crystals, are like superhumans of the tech world. They hold the promise of solving complex problems and revolutionizing various fields. But they also pose new challenges that we need to be ready for. One thing is certain though, they're set to play a key role in shaping our future. So keep an eye on this space because the quantum future is closer than you might think.